Hello and welcome to Bombo Story Time. Buzz and I have been cooking today. We love cooking and we love food, and that is what our story is about today. It's called Chocolate Mousse for Greedy Goose. It's written by Julia Donaldson and illustrated by Nick Sharat. Are you ready, Buzz? "Where's the meal?" asks hungry Seal. "It's coming now," says busy Cow. "What can I smell?" asks shy Gazelle. "Macaroni," says Shetland Pony. "Too hot for me," says Chimpanzee. "Blow on it then," says Mother Hen. "Carrots, yuck," says Fussy Duck. We like carrots, don't we, Buzz? "They're good for you," says Kangaroo. "Chocolate mousse," says Greedy Goose. "Don't just grab it," says Angry Rabbit. "I'll lick the bowl," says Furry Mole. "I'll lick it cleaner," laughs Hyena. "It's all gone," says sad White Swan. "I'll eat the cloth," says Happy Moth. "Let's wash up," says Helpful Pup. But Lazy Sheep says, "No, let's sleep." I hope you liked that story. Buzz and I have made our own chocolate mousse, some chocolate Play-Doh. We're going to go and play with it now. I'll pop the recipe underneath in case you fancy having a try as well. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye.